Big up, Mr. Fabs.
Again.
Thank God for Jesus. Thank God for ready. Me have option. Me have a market in a taxi. Go.
So good morning, Tree Stepper.
Good morning again for a second time around, mommy.
Yes, man. So I see you protesting this morning. What are you protesting about?
Well, that's a good question, but I'm going to give you a good answer. Yes. What is going on now? It don't make sense because the government say you will put baby seat in a car. You understand? And baby seat can't drive in a taxi. And everybody don't know that.
Yeah. But since then, Tree Stepper, the government, it is said that the government would have reversed that one.
Well,
so the taxi drivers or public transportation, they are no longer required to put the baby car seat in the car.
Well, we don't know, but since we come, since we come, we see the demonstration.
Okay.
So me alone can't run.
Yes.
So me have to join with them.
Yes. So what else? What are the other concerns that the taxi drivers have?
Well, the government say if your vehicle broke down, you know if you drive. I'll say you're driving your car now. I want mechanic out there so now. And your car shut off right here.
Yes.
Would you go for a wrecker if you bring it out there so? Would you call a wrecker or would you get somebody to drive? You understand? So then we can't work. If your vehicle broke down, so we can't call a wrecker for a week. Remember say we don't have a wrecker near you know.
Yes.
So that will cost more and more and more. You understand what I mean? I pay foolish I go on.
Okay.
You understand? The government can't do better.
Price them too high.
And the ticket price them pass.
The baby car seat now go work.
You see how airplane fly up in the air? The ticket them pass over there.
Okay.
You understand what I mean?
So you're
Christiana need a park also.
Right.
I'll go to Christiana Taxman, Chai, Warsaw. Need a park. The Market Street people that we now work up with. They only couple of the car and everything and we never be a disagreement and so. We want a park for Christiana also. And the ticket price them and the baby car seat. Now for them address to the media with ticket price and all them something they now work out. Too expensive.
Let me ask you a question. You're more educated more than me. You're educated more than me. Do you feel in yourself that the country are run right? If it's a yes, it's a yes. And if it's a no, it's a no.
You tell us. You have the platform to speak.
No, I'm just asking one question. Do you feel?
We're doing the interview.
No, but you can answer me. You can answer me. Do you feel that the country is running right to your suit?
But
no, it's a yes.
No. This morning.
No, don't push it around the bushes.
No,
you just say yes
around the bushes.
Or anything.
All right, so Tree Stepper.
Yes, ma'am.
The platform is yours. So what do you hope to achieve at the end of the protest?
You see,
hold on, sir. Just a minute.
You see, the ticket price, it can drop. You understand what I mean? All right, look here now. Remember, say, you see, taxi is the biggest, is the main source in Jamaica right now. All right, you see much people turn back and go to the yard?
Yes.
Okay. Make we do this for 1 week straight, and then you see if the country not turn upside down. You understand what I mean? So, what we are do, we know what we are do. We are process, we are better.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean? Government, me know you can do better. Me know you can do better. Remember, you see road license at $3,000. Gone for road license. How much gone for is that? $3,000 gone for road license. I wouldn't touch your license yet. You understand what I mean?
Them they can't manage them.
I'll tell you something.
Them need to roll back them.
Remember, say the government no set no change for we, you know. Remember, say we never got high school. And we have to work and buy a Likkle taxi and run it. Remember, say teachers and nurses also, and the government pay them. You follow what I say? All right. If you is a teacher and you off and you get on leave, you still get your pay. We don't get no pay. You understand? So if you youth them can't manage to talk. Me will talk to them. And if the government come and turn up right in front of me, I say, come near me.
Man, a full Prime Minister this man. A full Prime Minister.
Come near.
Come here, media.
Come here, Peter.
Come on, and tell me shy, man.
Talk what you want, man.
Yes, sir. Talk what you want.
What we are saying? It's like the police them are pressure we.
Long time.
The ticket range them, they outer range. We
Can't work
cannot
with.
manage.
Can't work with.
Too high.
Can't work with.
And the other thing we need the Prime Minister, the MP to do, we have no park and we cannot go through.
Believe me, that's true.
Sometimes we load for 1 hour, we cannot move.
That's true.
So we have
That's true.
no money. So it completely out there. Prime Minister and the MP, they need to look through the system and realize that poor people we are dealing with and we cannot survive with it. That's it.
Auntie, may I show you something?
So who are the cokehead?
He know himself.
Oh, okay.
Me say me never used to smoke. And me start to smoke now because we stress. A answer we want. What we fi do? And that me want. What we fi do? See it there? People have to walk. See it there? People have to walk. And when them a walk go to town, go turn up. Now get nothing because we are striking. We are striking. No defender no there. No goalkeeper no there. A striking whole of we are strike today. We want so answer. You understand? What we fi do? And that a for me question. What else we fi do? Go on now.
Murder, you want me to rough murder?
Yeah, man, it takes kind of rough power because we have to walk with the party go through.
We can't do it without rum. You put it already. Go on. Go on, work.
Don't talk to me, I'm here paying more and get you know, brother. Big up.
All right.
Oh, I level the mic that, you know. At the mic that.
Talk, come, I want to say
All we can say, we tired of this Prime Minister because we put him in, say, he might come with better. Prosperity in himself. And we don't see no prosperity, come with bitter medicine, and bitter medicine we are face. You understand?
Bitter like a
bitter
girl.
If me say
Show
bitter,
them
it's
the
bitter.
sign.
I don't see what bitter is. Bitter.
Show them the sign. Show them
Yes,
the
I mean, I say.
See sign there? All of them sign there.
Please, sir, just think about it.
Don't chew in life. Me never talk on chew right now. Me never talk on chew right now. Anyway, me never talk on chew in life. Me never talk on chew. Andrew Wellness. You know bigger than me, you know. You're in a bigger position more than me.
Yes.
Cut out the commercial and go right to the program.
Listen me now. No man, no commercial this man. I know Tin Mackerel last we are advertising.
Yes.
Wait. We are talk. Me I say Andrew Wellness. You know bigger than me, don't. You know bigger than you.
Bigger than no way.
You in a bigger position.
Yes.
But me I tell you say you can do better.
Yes.
You can do better.
Yes.
You prefer money.
More than your people.
More than your people.
Yeah. You prefer
we're not doing that. We're not doing that.
Remember say, man shoot,
today.
look man shoot man and get where I'm going, you know. Enough scammer in the world, you know. Now Jamaica you say, you know. Me no hear you say nothing about them.
Innocent man, they are person.
You understand me? You don't say nothing about them. So hold on now. This is a man have been picking it. This is a man have been picking it. This is a man have been picking it. Everybody. So hold on. And this is how do we? And this is how do we? Andrew Wellness. Remember, say me tell you already, you know. You're not bigger than me.
Yeah.
You're hungry in a big position.
All right.
But you can't live without me.
All right.
You understand me? So,
Andrew, this is my message to you. Me, a die-hearted labor right. But, as from today, done with it.
Likkle green man.
Done with it. The little green man, gone. Done with it. Cause me never know say yo, X dig a wrong bang till me make the X for you. And some me know say a wrong bang.
Radam.
Wrong bang. Wrong bang.
Radam.
Pino Jelly that say Radam, oh God man, oh God man, Andrew, Radam man, oh God man.
Let me ask you a question. Hold on, people don't listen to me. How will we tax money I go?
You know how much million the tax man supposed to get with here?
Where will tax money I go?
I mean, I get none. You get anything out of the 200 million if you get with here? You don't get anything out of the tax money if you get with tax money. You get anything?
You get 120 out of it.
You get? Where are the money they got? You get no right.
Yeah, come down.
How much I get?
I look for everything. Oh.
So type in and look at everything.
See it there? All I'm on them this. And a strike, we are strike today. Forward the whole of we are play today. Strike. Be a top striker there, so strike, we are strike today. Forward, you see me? No defense, no goalkeeper, nothing. Strike. See people in there. Walk them out tonight town, you see me? Be a strike, we are strike today. See what I'm on them there? Watch out. Go taxi, go taxi. Strike, we are strike today, you see me? See, they only private car pass, you see me? Strike, we are strike today. That me are telling you. Strike, straight strike. Island wide, strike, 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 strike.
You are
a good person, suppose to over the man. I'm the stove bar.
You didn't talk about the big time, so we just get enough if you
Come in.
Come in.
Come.
All right, you see that? No taxi. I true that the man can't get no taxi. I hit make that go on. See there? Donkey, all of them have to go right go. All right, I'm here again, Mr. Andrew. Right now we don't have no road. We don't have no park. You understand what I say? No road, no park. I'm going to carry the cameraman, go out to Christiana, and I'm going to show him which part we are parked. And yes, when I show you the cameraman, I hope that the cameraman show you which part we are parked. You see it? So we now get no justice. We want park, we want road. You understand? And we not get none of them. We protest 2 times already, we not get none of them there. Yet still not bringing this whole heap of rule about baby seat in a car and re. Them they sit in the car work. You not go work. We not go make you so. You understand? So unless you can find another alternative for me, you understand? So it will go work for me if you find a next alternative, but no taxi business. You understand? To what I go on in a taxi business now? No taxi business. You understand? Cut.
That's foolishness. Check consult with the people because before you harm the law. But that's anything by where we accept it. The people run country and the government, the people power.
Big up, Mr. Fabs. Again. Thank God for Jesus. Thank God for ready. Me have option. Me have a market tonight, taxi.